Good morning, guys. 7:10 now. We are in the city of Vila Velha and now going to the bridge that connects the cities of Vila Velha and Vitória in the state of Espirito Santo, Brazil. It's been raining for the past 3 or 4 days, raining a lot. Look at how it is now. It's been raining a lot, and for this reason we have traffic here. Tell us in the comments if when it rains in your city, if you have traffic too, or if it's okay, you don't have traffic even when it rains. Today is raining cats and dogs. This bridge is called Third Bridge. Because there are another 2 bridges, the first one and the second one. For this reason, this one is the third one. As you can see, you can't see anything in the sky today. We have low visibility today, very low. And she's driving. Yeah. We are headed to the airport. The airport is located in Vitória, the capital of Espírito Santo.